Thanks, Dylan. My name is Todd Nelms, and I want to cover some additional communication problems in the workplace, particularly face-to-face communication with customers. So, some of the first common problems with face-to-face communication can be cultural differences, attitude, lack of motivation, listening skills, written communication quality, appropriate communication tools, and oversharing. I want to focus on two of those, which is going to be oversharing and listening skills. On oversharing, there's a February 2021 Indeed.com article called 7 Common Communication Problems and How to Address Them. And in that article, it talks about oversharing as like this. It says, while transparency works well for most organizations, the concept of oversharing still requires temper, and oversharing leads to gossip and the exchange of sensitive and inappropriate information. Consider the need for and importance of confidentiality within the workplace. For example, hold meetings regarding sensitive information within a private and secure office. Refrain from including confidential information within any emails, and discourage gossip or inappropriate communication as necessary. Even though that's talking about broad communication, it can be particularly important during face-to-face communication for many reasons that we'll cover here in a second. So on listening skills, that same article talks about listening skills allows you to better understand or empathize with what someone said rather than simply hearing them. Stress the importance of active listening throughout the organization. If necessary, host a workshop in which employees learn more about the importance of learning and how to improve their listening skills. But while listening, attitude is incredibly important when approaching approaching a customer face-to-face. It's a large percentage of communication is nonverbal, and customers can pick up on underlying attitudes in addition to nonverbal cues. Being too cocky or arrogant can also cause the customer to have a negative opinion of you, which will make communication harder or even cause you to lose the ability to serve the customer's needs. It's according to a Washington Post article in January 2022 called The Science of Being There, Why Face-to-Face Meetings Are Important. Research shows that face-to-face requests are 34 more times more likely, or more effective than those sent by email, and that a physical handshake promotes cooperation and influences negotiation outcomes for the better. And so some solutions to these problems can be is to be careful not to overshare technical and sometimes personal information, which could leave the customer feeling lost in the conversation or uncomfortable. When sharing technical information, take the time to listen and get a better understanding of their knowledge level in the area to be discussed, so that you can adjust your approach in explaining that information that needs to be shared. In a Snipcart.com article written in September 2021 by Francois Ledoux, 6 ways of communicating technical information to clients effectively states, at all times try to be empathetic, patient, and constant. Mind your tone, stay calm, and take your time, especially during live conversation. These attitudes will help appease clients during rough patches and build trust and appreciation for your expertise. I hope this stuff helped. Next, we have Connor Lingle will discuss another communication problem in the workplace, working with others, and collaboration and teamwork.